Have you ever lost your TV remote? Well, here's the good news. You do not need your remote to control your TV. If you have a smartphone in your pocket, you already have everything you need. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to control your Sony TV using your phone instead. Let's jump in. First, there are a few different ways this works. The method you use depends on the type of TV you have. If you have a smart TV that's connected to Wi-Fi, this is going to be extremely easy. If you're using a streaming device like a Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Google TV, that's even easier, and I'll walk you through all of it. Method 1. Use the official TV app. Most major TV brands now have their own remote control apps. Here's what you do. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for your TV brand, download the official app, make sure your TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This part is important. They must be on the same network. Once you open the app, it will automatically search for nearby TVs. Select your TV from the list. You may see a pairing code appear on your TV screen. Enter that code into your phone, and just like that, your phone becomes your remote. You'll have volume control, channel control, navigation buttons, and even a full keyboard so you can type much faster than using a traditional remote. Method 2. Use a streaming device app. If you don't even use your smart TV system, and you mainly use something like Roku or Fire Stick, this is actually the easiest method of all. The Roku app is one of the best remote replacements available. It gives you full directional pad, voice search, private listening with headphones, and a keyboard. The Fire TV app works almost the same way. Just open the app, select your device, connect, and you're in control. No remote required. Method 3. Use built-in phone features. If you have an iPhone and an Apple TV, swipe down from the top right corner, tap the remote icon in Control Center. Select your Apple TV, and you're instantly connected. No extra downloads required. Some Android phones also have built-in infrared blasters. If your phone has one, you can install a universal remote app and control even older TVs that aren't connected to Wi-Fi. Not every phone has this feature anymore, but if yours does, it's extremely useful. What if your TV isn't connected to Wi-Fi? If your TV is not connected to Wi-Fi, you will need to connect it first for most of these methods to work. Without a remote, that can be tricky. Some TVs have physical buttons underneath the screen or on the back panel. Use those buttons to navigate to network settings and connect to Wi-Fi. Once connected, everything else becomes simple. Why this is actually better than a remote. Here's something interesting. Once you start using your phone as a remote, you may not even want to go back. Typing is faster, voice search is easier, you don't need batteries, and you're way less likely to lose your phone than your remote. Plus, most of us always have our phone in our hand anyway. So if your remote is lost, broken, or just not working, don't panic. Download the app for your TV or streaming device. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. Pair your device, and you're back in control in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you enjoy simple, practical tech tutorials like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.